Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online health records with MyChart, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your online health records with MyChart, start by creating a strong, unique password. Choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using personal information that could be easily guessed. Next, enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. This feature will require you to verify your identity through a secondary device. Regularly update your password to maintain security. Now, familiarize yourself with MyChart's privacy settings. Navigate to the Settings menu to view your account privacy options. Review the permissions for data sharing with third-party applications. Make sure to limit access to only those you trust. Next, monitor your account activity regularly. Check for any unusual logins or changes to your personal information. If you notice anything suspicious, change your password immediately. Utilize the secure messaging feature to communicate with your healthcare provider. This ensures that your health inquiries remain confidential. Be cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious emails. Always verify the sender's email address before clicking on links. Make sure to log out after each session, especially on shared devices. This simple step can prevent unauthorized access to your account. Educate yourself on MyChart's data security measures. Visit the official website for updates on their security policies and practices. Consider setting reminders to update your security settings periodically. These proactive steps will help safeguard your health records over time. Stay informed about best practices for online security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.